Hi everyone, I'm Jaboy Kablay, and today I'm going to share to my journey of unpacking myself in this vlog. I talk about different aspects of who I am, from my physical health and to my digital life and how growing as a person. Let's start with physical self. This is about how I take care of my body and my health. Recently, I've been trying to stay active by doing simple workouts at home, like jumping jacks, squats, and stretching. Even though it's not always easy to stay consistent, I've learned that taking care of my body helps me feel more confident and energized every day. Next is my sexual self. This is about understanding myself, my feelings, and accepting who I am. As I grow, I'm learning to respect myself and my emotion more. I realize that self-acceptance is very important, and I should let other people's opinion define who I am. Now, let's talk about my material or economic self. This focuses on how I manage my money and belongings. As a student, I try to my budget my allowance carefully. I make sure to save a little and avoid unnecessary spending. This helps me become more responsible and prepare for the future. My political self is about being aware of what's happening around me. I may not be very active yet, but I try to stay informed about social issues by watching the news or reading online. I believe that even as a student, I have a voice and responsibility to care about my community. Next is my digital self. This is how I present myself online, especially on social media. I try to be real and positive in what I post. Sometimes I share my achievements, but I also share my struggles to show that I'm just human. I believe it's important to stay authentic online. Lastly, becoming a better student. I've been working on moving my habits. I try to manage my time better, avoid procrastination, and sometimes study with me. Videos to stay focused even if it's challenging. I remind myself that education is important for my future. To sum it all up, unpacking the self help me and understand who I am different ways. I'm still growing and learning every day, and that's okay.